What's good, YouTube? We are back. Another video in the garage. Closed because they have a party going on outside and I don't want to hear all that shit. We are about to be working on the 992. Today, we're going to do an oil change. It's going to be the first oil change I've done since I had the car. The car has about 4,200 miles or something like that. So, first oil change is normally 10,000 miles or whatever at the dealership, but I want to do it early. I want to get the metal shavings and things of that nature out of that break-in oil. And yeah, so I got the car up on the ramps. I'm just gonna go ahead and go through the whole process of getting this oil changed. So first things first, let's pop open the rear hatch. So I did drive the car a bit, just to get it kind of warm. So we'll open up, take the oil cap off, and then with this here, you just want to slowly turn that off. A little bit of hissing. That off. Then pop this off. I'll just put that over here. That way we can get to this fan here. Let me get my light on so you guys can see what's going on. Alright, so that way we can get to this fan right here, and you just want to pull that off, move this, and you can unplug it or you can just move it out of the way. I'm just going to move it out of the way because you just want access to the oil filter housing there. No big deal, easy peasy. Then from there, we get under the car and we start to do this whole process. So I got my oil here, oil filter. Got all of this from FCP Euro. This is the oil you want to use. You want to make sure it is rated correctly. So trying to see where it's at. Porsche C40 is what you need. Got a whole shit ton of it. And then I got my tool to screw off the filler plug. And I got a new filler plug here. And I'm gonna use this here as well, just so it makes it a little bit easier with pouring oil into the car. So race ramps, and yeah, that's pretty much like the gist of what you need. Of course, drip pan. And then from there, we just get the show on the road. So if you don't mind, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tons and tons of videos. I'm doing this new series where I'll be using my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So I'm doing vertical vlogs. Try to do it daily, if not almost daily. So then that way you guys can see more of, POV driving, quick videos, just things to kind of keep everybody engaged and things of that nature. So always trying to do something different, always trying to bring something different to the channel. And so far so good. Thank you guys so far for everything. But let's get this show on the road. All right, I'm gonna start with the oil filter. Put some rags in here. Keep my light going. Put some rags down here just to kind of keep things not so messy. Probably just gonna slide it right the fuck off. Sure is. What's happening when your car is coated? Shit don't stay on there. Alright, there we go. That's good. Alright. So this is a 36 millimeter. You just want to make sure you swap out the O-ring. Just what I'm about to do now. Get a little bit of lubrication on the new O-ring from the oil in here. Make sure that sits right where it needs to sit. Easy peasy. So you want to have the numbers or whatever the writing is facing down. Here we go. It's a little tight. I'm not gonna screw it down all the way. I'm gonna just seat it on there so it has some air as I release the oil from below. Alright, it's a little dark in here, but if you can see the little screw here, right there. And then this is the tool you use. I don't even know how it goes in there like that. And then I turn. So I'm just gonna move this out of the way so that I don't fuck up my camera. Lefty loosey. Out we go. Oh shit. There we go. Kind of spilled a little bit. Just let that drain out. And I'm gonna clean up my mess, because I always make one. Alright. So that's draining, which is great. Let's put some oil over here. So again, when the oil is warm, it comes out like nobody business. All right, so I'm gonna let that drain out. As you can see, make sure you have a big enough container. Make sure it's empty, because it's a lot of oil. These Porsches, I'm learning, are like, they love oil. It's crazy. So this car, to fill it up, it takes 8 liters, 8.3 liters, not quarts. So So let me double check that. Yeah, 8.3 liters. So this container here is 8 liters. As you can see, so I'm gonna fill that up. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just fill this up and put it in there, put it on the ground, test it out, check the level, and then I'll go back and add if need be. Because sometimes you don't really drain out all the oil, especially if you're not doing the oil change on a level surface. Sometimes there is a little bit left, kind of that's pushed forward on this side of the tank. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm excited about this here oil change here. This is the old little plug, still draining. It's the old plug. Get this over here, throw that in here, and then I'll get my new plug, which is, here it is, the new plug. So yeah. Again, FCP Euro for the oil. I got the tool from Amazon, and so did that come from Amazon, and it's not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten down the filter housing now, since that's draining, and then we'll come back and finish up. Alrighty, let's fill this thing up. Alright. So, essentially 8 liters is one big one. Let me push this down. All right, 8 liters is one of these, 3 of these, and then in case you should have 1 left. So this would be your kind of like your top off one. Probably will only use maybe half of that, maybe even less than that, but here it is here. This is the new oil going in, and it should be a lot easier to manipulate and pour. Let me check my progress under here. Okay, yeah, we're done dripping. It's a slow drip, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it back up. Oh, shit. Little click. Yep. That's how we do. These in the recycling. And then my local auto parts store love me because I keep their oil bin full. Alright, let's get some oil in to the beast. And you don't spill much either. Alright, we're not dripping out of there, so that's a good sign. A little bit of oil left on the floor. Let me light that up. Alright. So now, close my cap for now. And get this thing on level ground and see where we're at. All right. Let's see if I can get to this oil menu. The oil level. Alright, so I'm in the car. I realized that the whatever the fuck this thing is, this CarSoft shit, this shit's trash. CarSoft V3 does absolutely nothing. Like I bought this thing thinking I'm gonna use it for, you know, I think I had the Macan when I bought it. I don't know, but you know, thinking I'm gonna be able to use it for a lot of different cars, and literally haven't been able to use it for shit. I tried it on the 997 when I did the PASM disabled. That didn't fucking work, so that I had to get another Foxwell and all of that. I'm like this is trash. CarSoft, don't waste your money getting this if you have Porsches and you think you're gonna be able to do something with it. So what I'm gonna end up doing is getting the Autel scanner. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's been said that it works, so I'm gonna try that. And I haven't been able to reset the oil just yet, but yeah, so I'm just under max for the oil level. So I'm gonna put a little bit more oil in there and we should be good to go. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. So again, 992 oil change, very easy job. It's probably the easiest of all the cars, of all the Porsches that I have as far as oil. So I'm just gonna get the Autel scanner. I think it's like $300 or some or some shit. So whatever, write it off in taxes next year. And yeah, make it do what it do. But don't get this Car Pro shit, man. It's trash. Like, this shit is trash. This fucking horrible. Things like that really piss me off. But all good. I'm gonna put this car back in the garage and enjoy the rest of the day. It's my girlfriend's birthday and I'm changing the oil in her car. And yeah, that's what I do. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next one. Keep being great. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Run the numbers up. Let's be dope. Yeah. Peace.